Almond oil. The ETHOS Almond Oil is an improved cuticle oil with increased almond extract, and it will replace the cuticle oil. Almond oil also contains avocado and jojoba oil, as well as vitamin E oil that will rehydrate and nourish cuticles and surrounding skin to keep them healthy and supple. It comes with a tiny dropper and may be used at home to keep cuticles subtle and healthy. In the salon, rub cuticle oil into the cuticles after gel application for a professional glowing finish. Apply a drop to each nail and lightly massage. Almond oil together with vitamin dose are successfully used during gel removal. Nails are seldom ruined by the product, but mostly by the removal process. So after the nail has been shortened, use a 100 grit file to remove the top layers of the gel. Use the thin black file, tilt it to its side, and carefully file tiny grooves into the gel on the free edge area to reach the underlying gel of the base gel. Be careful not to file onto the natural nail. Prepare for removal and apply a drop of almond oil to the nail and cuticle before applying the gel remover and wrapping the nail. While the oil will protect the surrounding skin and cuticles from drying during the removal process, it will also seep through the filed grooves down to the nail plate. As the gel releases from the nail, the almond oil will nourish the underlying nail to minimize dehydration. Complete one nail at a time before moving on to the next, so that the releasing process can start. By the time that the last nail has been wrapped, the first nail should be close to being ready for removal. When the gel starts to release from the nail, unwrap the foil and use a nail brush to remove the loose bits of gel. Now apply a drop of vitamin dose onto the nail. While the almond oil will help to reduce dehydration, the goodness of the vitamin dose will be absorbed and will assist to release the last bits of gel, keeping the nail moist and nourished. Use the metal tool to gently push and remove the last bits of gel.